Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to download a PDF using ChatGPT. While ChatGPT doesn't directly host files, I'll show you how to generate, download, or access PDFs through links or third-party tools. Let's get started. Open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Now, ask something like, generate a resume and give me a downloadable PDF, or can you provide a PDF summary of this topic? If ChatGPT responds with the content only, you can copy the text and head over to an online converter like pdfcrowd.com, pdfescape.com, or even use Google Docs. Let me show you how with Google Docs. Open docs.google.com and start a new blank document. Paste the content from ChatGPT into the document. Go to the File menu, click Download, and then choose PDF document, .pdf. Your file will now download as a PDF directly to your PC. In some cases, if you're using a plugin or a pro plan that supports file generation, ChatGPT might give you a PDF download link directly. Just click the link and the file will be saved, and that's how you can download PDFs using ChatGPT, either by generating content and exporting it yourself or through supported tools. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.